video will show how easy it is to utilize the Parking Assist feature in the BMW X7. To start the process, press the P button on the left side of the center console. The BMW will scan for a parking space, and when a space is detected, a message pops up on the iDrive screen. Select the desired space, and the BMW will begin parking for you. You do have to let go of the steering wheel and brake. If you intervene during the process, it will cancel out. The vehicle might adjust forward and backward a few times to center you in the space. Once the parking assist is complete, the BMW puts itself into park for you and the process is complete.